Would you like to make money today? How about as much as $230 in the next 30 minutes? And similar amounts every 30 minutes through the trading day? Well, thanks to the binary options revolution and simple to learn yet effective graphic chart analysis, you can. So what are binary options? Binary options are a form of asset trading where you simply choose if an asset is going to go up or down. When you win a binary options trade, you are rewarded with as much as 181% in return. By hedging your trades and following a few simple steps, you could be making huge amounts of money starting right now. In the following video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using the Global Money 24 system that you found on this website today. So firstly, you will need to open an account with the Binary Options broker. To do this, just click the image below the video to visit TradeRush. I can highly recommend this broker as the customer service is second to none, and they process withdrawals very quickly. You'll then see this webpage. Start out by entering your name, location, email, and phone number, and then click the red Open Account button. Now simply choose a password that you can remember, select your currency, then enter the secure code and hit Submit. I've blurred out my personal contact details on this form for obvious reasons. When you register with TradeRush, you have the option to receive a free ebook to help ease you into binary options trading. I would recommend ticking this box as it's quite useful. With the registration complete, you'll now have to choose how much you would like to deposit in your TradeRush account. There are a few options, however, I recommend the Executive. You get a 40% bonus and it's the only chance you'll get to have this, so take advantage on your first deposit. It's perfect if you're new to binary options, as you get a dedicated account manager to help you with your trades. Then you simply have to choose how to deposit. Back to Global Money and time to understand the system. Essentially, this strategy involves following distinct upwards or downwards trends and avoid placing trades if a trend is changeable. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. I can assure you, it's very easy to understand when you see the trends. And here's what they look like. On the left is an upward trend. On the right is a downward trend. The middle is changeable. Now click the link to see the charts. They can take a few moments to load, so meanwhile, I'll go on to explain how much to invest per trade. To ensure that you are always improving your position, you should only invest around 5% of your trading capital, which I've highlighted here. Opening trades is easy. You simply choose call for up or put for down, and then enter the amount you wish to trade and click apply. Back to the charts now, so let's see what's going on in the market. Instantly, I see a huge upward trend on Euro-US dollar, so let's place a trade. I have $5,229.60 trading capital, so I want to invest approximately 5%, which in this case is around $250. As it is an upward trend on Euro-USD, I'll click Call. Enter $250 and then click Apply and Approve. My open trades are displayed on the top right just under my new balance. Now I see that US dollar and Japanese yen also has an upward trend. So I will click back and repeat the process. Call. $250. Apply and approve. Click back and I see US dollar and Canadian dollar has a downward trend. So I'll select USD CAD on the drop-down. Click Put, enter $250, apply and approve. Now I'll check the charts again, and I see that Australian dollar and US dollar has an upward trend, so I shall simply repeat the process on TradeRush. Select from the drop-down. Call. 250. Apply and approve. Let's see if there are more trends. This one looks too risky. But Euro-Japanese yen has a strong upward trend. Once again, drop down. Select. Call. 250. Apply and approve. So I think we need one more. And here it is. GBP JPY has an upward trend, so one more time. Drop-down menu. Select. Call. 250. Apply and approve. I now have 6 open trades and have to wait just over 30 minutes to see how these trades performed. To reduce viewing time, I'll just pause the video and come back after they've expired. And it's good news! My balance is now $5,459.60. That's a total profit of $230 in just 30 minutes. Now it's your turn.